What's up, YouTube gang? Today I'm gonna talk about clipping, right? Like, are you going through those times where your kick and your 808 is clipping, like your bass, everything is messy, right? You can't master your beats, you can't mix properly. So make sure you watch this video until the end. I'm gonna show you how to avoid clipping. It's a problem for all of us. I'm also trying to stop this problem by learning a lot from it and making a lot of videos, because there's a lot of videos that I've made. Go and watch my playlist about mixing and mastering. But anyways, this is another video. It doesn't get better than this. So make sure you watch, subscribe, comment, and share all my videos. How to avoid clipping in flstudiomobile. Let's get straight to the video, man. I hope you learn and it helps you, and you go and make better beats and master like a professional music producer. You understand? Thank you for watching. Let's get straight to the video. Yes sir, as you heard, bruh, the beat is clipping, right? You can see in the FX limiter that the beat is cutting through and above, right? And it doesn't have to do that. It has to play beyond that level. It's our level. So when you want to avoid clipping, fight clipping, you need FX distortion. I've saved presets in these effects, so you can also do the same. You need your distortion to be on tube and 10. You need the FX limiter to be minus 10 decibels, right? You need the FX limiter. You see now there's a difference now. It's no longer cutting through. That's it for this video. Yeah, man, like I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.